what's up everyone, Aldo from VoroMotors, and today we're going to unbox the newest addition to the Dualtron lineup, the Victor Luxury. Be sure to stick around to see some cool specs and features and some riding footage at the end. So let's go ahead and get this box open. So the first thing you're going to see once opening the box is its charger. You're also going to see the second cord for the charger. And then in this box, you're going to have toolkit and its remote control for the lights. And lastly, your user manual. What did I say? Did I say that right? And lastly, your user manual. So now let's get the scooter out of the box. If you happen to have a friend around, ask for their help because this scooter does weigh about 72 pounds. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to unfold the scooter while it's still in its box so you can take off the top pieces of the phone.
Camera's rolling.
We're doing it live right now.
Yeah, we're doing it live. Well, what?
Oh, live?
Yeah.
It's not live. I mean, we're shooting it, but it's not live. But like,
So you're in.
Ready? So the first thing you're going to want to do when you take the scooter out of its box is unfold its handlebars. And how you're going to do that is by pulling these clamps towards the middle, lifting this up, and making sure it locks back into place. You're going to tighten these clamps and simply clamp down. You're going to pull, lift, make sure it clicks back into place, and just tighten these clamps down. The next thing you're going to want to do is make sure your stem is locked into place. And you can do this by simply tightening these clamps and simply clamp down. Another thing to look out for is any loose screws that your scooter may come with through to shipping. So for example, things like this where the LCD may come a little bit loose, some of the handlebars may come a little bit loose, so you just want to make sure to tighten those up to ride securely and safely. So now that you have the scooter out of its box and everything locked into place, let's turn it on. To do so, you're going to hold onto this power button for a couple seconds. Compared to other Dualtron models, you're going to notice that the LED lights don't turn on right away, but to do so, with this particular model, you're going to want to hit the switch down here in order for them to turn on. Once you power on the switch, you'll notice that the lights illuminate along the stem, on the swing arms, and along the deck. Remember that you do have this remote to change it to the color of your choice. So now let's go over some cool features on the Victor Luxury. If you look at your handlebars, you'll notice that the Victor Luxury comes equipped with hazard lights and Eco Turbo mode. The Victor Luxury also comes equipped with a really nice silicone deck. Another cool feature on the Victor Luxury is that it comes with a really nice sturdy kick plate. This kick plate is really good for a couple reasons. One, this kick plate comes equipped with a folding hook built in so that it's portable when it's folded. And two, it comes equipped with a really bright light bar in the back. That way you're visible if you are riding at night. And you'll notice that when you hit the brakes, a second light turns on along with the hazard lights. So now let's talk about some specs. The Victor Luxury is a 60-volt scooter equipped with dual 2,000 watt motors. That means this scooter has a top speed of 42 miles per hour and a range of 56 miles. And this scooter comes in weighing at roughly 72 pounds, which is not the lightest scooter, but it is still very portable. It has 10-inch tube tires equipped with Zoom hydraulic brakes. And now that we've gone over all the cool specs and features on the Victor Luxury, let's go take it out for a spin.
make sure you shop online to get the Dualtron Victor Luxury now.